Hello friends, myself Alavat Ramesh, research scholar in chemical science. Actually, today I want to discuss about the brief topic methods of study skills. What are the study skills? While you are reading the newspaper, while you are reading the any articles, while you are reading the any lessons, what are the skills to inbuild our self, and what are the skills to involve and while you are reading the articles, whatever any paper, chapters and books. So one by one with slides we will discuss the what are the study skills and how to build up these study skills. What is the importance of study skills we will discuss today. Okay, the first see that myself methods of study skills. Myself Alavatram is research scholar in chemical science. Okay, you can see the first one. First one is study skills. You know that the study skills mainly two types: note taking and note making. These are the very tricky words and very familiar words. While you are talking about note making and note taking, right? What is the meaning of note making and note taking? So note making and note taking are the useful study skills. Every student needs these skills. While you are reading the students, any books, whatever, any articles, any chapters, whatever, any lessons, he or she will prepare. They know the what is note making and what is note taking. So first of all, you can see the note making. Note making means is making notes out of the written box or out of the written text. Note taking is taking notes from a lecture. So note making means while you are reading the total, suppose you are going to read the acid and base, that lesson, you read the total lesson and you can understood the what is the main points and you can write it the important points, at least 12 or 16 points. That type of study is called note making. What is the note taking? Note taking is the taking notes from a lecture. So while your teacher, whatever your lecturer teaching the class on the blackboard, just you note down the important points, and out of the syllabus points you can note down in your notebooks. That is called as note taking. So these are the many ways of making notes and taking notes, but some of the techniques are common for both. So what are the both points? Note taking and note making are some points are the commonly same meanings. So what is the first one point? Writing a lead sentence followed by the supporting ideas. And second one point is drawing diagram and branched descriptions. And third one is listening and numbering the points. These 3 points are the similar and the both are the common for note making and note taking. You can see the next one point. What is the making notes from a text? So first of all, what is making notes from a text? So first one point you can see here. The first one point, first we should make a detailed study of the text and find out the main idea of the writer. Suppose if you want to read any articles, you read the total article, then I can understood the what is the main idea of this article. Suppose if you read the total lesson, what is the main idea of that lesson? So that is the first point of note taking. Second one, then we should make a second review to note the main ideas. Suppose if you read the total lesson, then what you understood, that points you can just note down in your notebook. That is called main ideas. And we should present the main points and also the related information. You should present the main points and related information. You can note down your point. And next one, see, we can list and number the points. How many points you can understood, what is the main concept of that lesson, you can note down the point wise. And next one, we use these branching notes and abbreviation if needed. Some abbreviation or example like ETC and ETL and etc. And last one point is, we prepare the points either in list form or in branching notes. That is the points of note making. So what are the points of note making? Just these points are the you can understand the note taking. Next one, taking notes from the lecture. While the class is going, while your teacher is explaining something, chemistry, botany, zoology, what points we are going to note down, that points are coming under the taking notes. So if you know the topic, the lecturer in advance, you must try to some homework. Suppose if your lesson is, your teacher is going to discuss tomorrow some organic chemistry basics and fundamental, then you can know the some points, you have to do some homework, then easily you can understand the in class while you are sitting into the class. We must select main points and subcoordinate points, and speakers may make the main points clear by visual display using blackboard. So your teacher is writing some main points and the blackboard, writing lesson names and main points, pictures, diagrams, those all comes under the taking notes. And we note these points under listening form or branching notes. We use abbreviation and symbols and numberings. So these study skills help these students to get more knowledge. So comparing to that, making notes and taking notes is the give the more knowledge to the students. So as comparing to both, the note taking is very important while lecturer is teaching, while your class teacher is. So be careful while you are teaching to class to note down in your classroom main points. Okay. And next one, see reference skills. I will add another one, skills. What is the reference skills? So this is also very important. We use reference books to support our main study, dictionaries, encyclopedia, yearbooks, treasures, etc. Come under reference books. We do not use these books for pleasure. The purpose of these books is mainly utilitarian and functional. These are mainly three kinds of reference books. These are the dictionaries, treasures and encyclopedia. These are the three main reference books to success to develop the reference skills. Whatever you can write, any, suppose if you are studying in graduate, suppose you are studying postgraduate, you are going to any company for internship, they will ask you last reference in the self means these points are supported to your project, these points are the involved to your project. This is the reference skills. And thank you for listening this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, share, comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.